beautiful aluminum pergola, right? It's the centerpiece of your backyard, your perfect outdoor oasis. But what happens when the weather decides not to cooperate? In this explainer, we're going to dive into the smart way to get year-round use from your pergola without, and this is the important part, without causing any permanent damage to your investment.
I mean, we've all been there. You're having a perfect day, the grill is going, and then boom, the wind kicks up, a surprise shower starts, or it just gets a little too chilly. And just like that, everyone's scrambling to get back inside. It's so frustrating to have this incredible space that you can only really use on perfect days, isn't it?
Yep, here are the usual suspects. You've got the wind that just wants to redecorate your patio for you. Rain that soaks all your nice cushions. That sudden cold snap that cuts your evening short. And of course, the winter blues, when your beautiful pergola just sits out there unused for months on end. And that brings us to the big dilemma. How in the world do you protect your space from all that so you can actually use it all year without doing something permanent and damaging to that gorgeous aluminum frame? It's a real puzzle, but you know what? There's a really clever solution. Okay, before we get to the solution, let's talk about what not to do. Your first thought might be, hey, I'll just grab a drill and start screwing stuff into the frame. Please, I'm here to tell you, put the drill down. That is a huge mistake.
And here's exactly why you shouldn't do it. The second you drill into that frame, you can pretty much kiss your warranty goodbye. You're also creating weak spots, and even worse, you're making tiny little doorways for water to seep in, which can lead to rust and corrosion from the inside out. Plus, you're stuck with ugly permanent holes. It just tanks the resale value. We need a way to do this with zero downside.
And here it is. This is the game changer. The answer is a system that's as smart as it is simple. Custom-fit clear vinyl tarps that attach to your pergola without a single hole. This is how you get all the protection with none of the damage.
So what are we talking about here? Now don't picture some flimsy sheet of plastic from a hardware store. No way! We're talking about heavy-duty, commercial-grade vinyl that's literally made to your exact measurements. We're talking a perfect, professional-looking fit. It's completely waterproof, it's UV rated so the sun won't destroy it, and it's got these super tough reinforced edges to handle wind and weather.
And the way they attach is just genius. You've basically got two great options. First, you have bungee cords. Super simple, super flexible. They just loop through grommets on the tarp and wrap around the posts of your pergola. Easy. Then you've got these awesome stick-on snaps. They have a really strong adhesive base that sticks right to the frame, giving you this incredibly clean, flush look.
So which one do you pick? Well, that really comes down to you. It depends on the weather in your area, what your budget looks like, and honestly just the style you're going for.
This chart just lays it all out, plain and simple. Look at our two stars here, grommets and bungees, and stick-on snaps. Notice the damage column? It says none. And removability? Very easy and easy. Now compare that to drilling or track systems. You're talking permanent holes, difficult removal. For almost everybody, the no-drill options are just, hands down, the smartest way to go.
And hey, don't just take it from me. Check this out. This is from a real customer, M. Champney, who got quoted over $2,000 for those fancy retractable shades. They got the exact same protection with these custom vinyl tarps for about $600. I mean, that is a huge difference.
Speaking of savings, let's really get into the numbers. Because the difference in cost between this smart, flexible solution and a permanent installation, it's not just big, it's honestly staggering. So, let's ask the million-dollar or maybe the several $1,000 question. What kind of money are we actually talking about when you pick a no-drill clear tarp system over a traditional permanent enclosure? You might want to sit down for this.
Wow, just look at that. It's almost funny. On average, a permanent enclosure is going to set you back around $8,000. A no-drill clear tarp solution, about $330. The visual says it all, right? It's not even a fair fight.
Let's just put that into one single powerful number. We are talking about a potential cost savings of 95%. That is a massive amount of money to keep in your pocket, and you still get exactly what you wanted, a protected, usable outdoor space. And this chart really tells the whole story. A no-drill tarp system might cost you anywhere from, say, $125 to maybe $500. You can install it yourself, and it's completely removable. Now look at screen or glass enclosures. We're talking thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. Plus you have to hire pros, and they're permanent. The value here is just undeniable. Okay, so we've established this is the smart choice, and it's an incredible money saver. But you know what the best part might be? Just how easy it is to actually do. Let's walk through how you can make this happen, because it's way simpler than you're probably thinking.
Seriously, it all boils down to these 3 simple steps. First, you just measure your space. Get those dimensions right for that perfect custom look. Second, you pick your tarp thickness based on your climate. And third, you choose your no-drill attachment, bungees for flexibility, or stick-on snaps for that clean look. That's it. You're literally ready to go.
So after seeing how simple, how affordable, and how effective this whole thing is, there's really only one question left to ask, right? Isn't it time you stopped letting the weather tell you when you can use your beautiful pergola and finally reclaimed your outdoor space for yourself all year long?